Hello there. We hope you've been enjoying these IA Proficiency Club live streams. And hopefully you've been doing it from somewhere comfortable, like perhaps your office or maybe even the comfort of your own home like I'm doing here. Did you know though, if you have a tablet or a cell phone, you can watch recordings of these live stream videos in places where you don't even have internet access or maybe even Wi-Fi? You can actually download these videos for watching later. Let me show you how. All right, now that's comfortable. In fact, let's call this your official first step. You need to find someplace comfortable because, hey, after all, what doesn't go better when you're just relaxed? Grab your mobile device. Again, it could be a cell phone or your tablet, it could even be your laptop computer. Go to the website, flywithia.com/CPA members. And there is a hyphen between the word CPA and members. It'll bring you to this screen where you enter the password. Currently, there is one password to actually enter this page. However, in the beginning of 2021, we will have discrete logins and passwords for members moving forward. Until the new rollout of our website, however, use this following password to get into this page. Lowercase CPA, the @ symbol, the number 1, and then a capital A. Once you're logged in, you're going to see the IA Proficiency Club and the new logo for 2021. And this enters you into the exclusive media portal. Of course, there are links for technical support, and there's also a few instructions in case you forgot how to use the portal. You can tap on any video thumbnail and it'll take you directly to the video where you can then watch that particular presentation. This is a good one. Now, what if I want to download this video? We go back to the main page and we scroll down to the video that we want. How about this one? He was really good. Tales from the Tower with controller Nick Chapman. All we have to do is click on the blue download videos box and it takes us to a page where we have multiple download options. Choose any one of these different resolutions. I recommend that you go with the lowest resolution first and work up from there if you don't like the quality. The smaller the resolution, the less space it'll take up on your device. However, the higher resolutions are a little bit crisper to see. I'm gonna go ahead and pick this SD 540p and click the download arrow. You'll notice that in the upper right-hand corner, there is the download and it's happening right now. This works with almost any web browser. So far, we've gotten it to work with Safari and Google Chrome. The speed at which this will download depends on your internet connection speed. Another reason to perhaps choose a smaller resolution. While this is downloading, I'll also let you know that because you can use any web browser, that means that almost any kind of device that can access the internet should be able to access these videos. So Android, iOS, and Windows devices should work just fine. Then it should be in your downloads folder. You click play, and now the video is available for you offline.
Done. East, if you want 1-0. We'll give you 1-0 east all day, and then once you're out of the airspace, do your own west. That's fine.
Some really good tips there from Nick. The quickest way to find it later is to click on the downloads icon. On most web browsers, it's going to look like a little arrow in the upper right-hand corner. And if you have some kind of desktop, perhaps a PC or a Mac, click the downloads folder. Your video will be there. Drag and drop that to wherever you'd like to store it on your device. And that's all there is to it. You've downloaded your videos and you're ready to go. Put on that jacket, book that plane, go out on those adventures and know that proficiency is conveniently located on your mobile devices. Thank you very much for being a member of Independence Aviation. You have chosen to be a safer pilot and to help general aviation be a much safer way to travel for everybody. For Independence Aviation, I'm Angel Andres Rosado.